Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that pursues the creation of computers and machines which are as intelligent as human beings. AI machines are as smart and intelligent as the human brain and react like humans. AI is a part of almost everything we use today, such as smartphones, cars, and banks. AI is used as image recognition for face unlock in smartphones. Virtual assistant apps in smartphones use AI. Siri and Alexa are very popular examples. Navigation apps in smartphones like Google Maps use AI. AI is used for online shopping and advertising. Almost all cars nowadays use AI-powered safety functions. Language translation software relies on AI. Many AI games like Emoji Scavenger Hunt, Quick Draw are becoming popular. Many science fiction movies use and show AI.